Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change the image title in a WordPress website, right? I'm going to tell you how to change the image title in WordPress website using three methods. Whatever the method suits you best, just opt that particular method, right? Firstly, as you can see, I'm into WordPress admin dashboard, and here I'm going to post section, all post, and I'm going to edit my previous post, right? So there we will learn how to add an image and change the image title. So for example, I'm just editing this post. You can create a new post as well, right? Whatever you want. And here there is a paragraph, and I have placed my cursor in the end of the paragraph, right, and clicked on enter and created a new block or a new line, right? Now as you can see, let me tell you that this is my file explorer of the system, and I have already renamed the image present in my system, right? In my computer I have already renamed the image file name, right? And I am going to upload this image as of now. So back to the WordPress post. As you can see, I have created a new block or a new line, and here you can see there is a plus icon automatically appears when you move your cursor in your new block. I will click on this add block, click on image, and here we are going to media library, upload files, select files, and here I am going to upload the image file from my system or my computer, right? I have selected that particular image which was renamed by me earlier, right? And I will click on open, and as you can see, the image is uploaded, and here we can check that the image title is whatever we have kept while renaming that particular image file. So this is how you can upload an image by renaming it in the system itself, right, before uploading. So automatically when the image would be uploaded, there would be desired title what you want. Okay, so this is the first method, right? Now let me delete this image block and let me tell you the second method. For example, again I am into the end of my paragraph. I have placed my cursor and I am going to click on enter again to create a new block or a new line, right? And whenever I move my cursor on that particular block, automatically a plus icon appears. I will click on this and then image, and in media library, if I have already uploaded that image, then how I can change the image title, right? For example, I have already uploaded this particular image, and which I'm going to use in this blog or article, right? I have simply selected that particular image of camera, right? And here you can see there is a title which I can change to whatever the desired title I want to keep of that image, right? So this is how you can change the image title of pre-uploaded image in your media library while you are creating a blog post or editing the previous blog post, or like you are creating a new page or editing a previously designed page on a WordPress website, right? So this is how you can change the image title. Now the third method I will tell you by again going back to my WordPress admin dashboard. So I have clicked on this W icon in the left side top corner, and okay, I am into my WordPress admin dashboard, as you can see, and here in the left side toolbar there is an option of media library, right? We are going to media library where all photos or videos or all files are stored, right, of a WordPress website. Wherever you upload, doesn't matter, all these images are stored over here. And here, like for example, I just want to change the title of this image, then I will select this image, right? And here we can simply change the image title of pre-uploaded image in our media library. Let me rename it. Okay, so I have renamed this image, right, and clicked outside the image title box, right? And as you can see, this is loading, and this particular change would get saved automatically, right? So this is how you can change the image title of in a WordPress website, right? Using these three methods. Apart from this, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.